Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme GT Master Edition regarding the vibration haptic feedback intensity. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. Ask me to compare between these both phones, which phone has got the really strong haptic feedback. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So both phones, they do have the very strong haptic feedback, but I do feel the Realme GT Neo 2 has got slightly stronger haptic feedback in this phone. That's what I did feel. But let's see, in this kind of demonstration, we'll be able to find out how much difference it's gonna make between these both phones. So first I need to show you exactly what is the sound and vibrations I'm trying to exactly select. Let's go to the sound and vibrations and go to the vibration intensity. So both phones are selected with the maximum kind of intensity. As you can see, full intensity I did select. So right now I'll be able to show you exactly demonstrate. So I'll try to type in both phones and I'll try to keep the mic on the keyboard in this area. You will be able to exactly hear the haptic feedback sound. The more sound you hear, the more haptic feedback better will be there. That's how it will be working. So right now let me try to keep the mics on the phone. Right now, as you can see, the mic is on the phone, exactly keyboard only. Let me try to start typing. Now let me try to type on the Realme GT Master Edition. So you can actually feel the different voice from the Realme GT Neo 2 and this one feels slightly kind of different, right? So let me to type again. Slightly different. So even though they are both are from same Realme company only, but still the implementation is slightly different. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison which are demonstrating side by side the Realme GT Neo 2 versus the Realme GT Master Edition. So you got a clear idea what is going on between both phones. So there's not a huge difference between both phones, that's a little bit difference is there. But let me know in the comment section below friends which haptic feedback you felt really strong one. So thank you for watching, see you in the next video and let's treat for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.